Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey, and today I'm cooking in the Ooni Koda 16. I'm going to be making a barbecue beef pizza, so let's go make it. Okay, this is ready to go in. I've put on order from Amazon a bigger version of my favorite wooden peel so that I can make bigger pizzas, because I really prefer launching with a wood peel. Let's get this in. Yeah, so it looks quite small in here, but it's actually quite big. I mean, it's not big, it's just like the size I like to cook with, and it does look a bit dinky in this oven, but in the Ooni Koda it doesn't. Actually, the gas is on full. As you can tell, because it's cooking fast. This is 24-hour room-proof dough, only I didn't fridge-proof this dough. And even though I got it really flat, it's puffy. It's checking it, turning it. It's done. Look at that, bit of barbecue beef, mushroom, green pepper and some red onion all together on that piece. I'm gonna try that bit. Ah, this is tasty. Ooh, my crust. It. What's gonna go first, the pepper or the mushroom? Like everything, this mushroom's hanging on for dear life. Delicious on a barbecue beef pizza. Very tasty, can't beat barbecue beef pizza. I'm going to be testing out other recipes on top of my pizza. I hope you enjoyed the vid. Take care. Bye. That mozzarella's stretching. It's still stretching. It's still stretching. See, there's the top of the pizza and it's still stretching. Everything's falling off, but yay, finally. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.